we will learn about factors and multiples. Okay. So first let us see what does factors means. So now let us see what does factors means. A factor is a number which divides another number completely without leaving any remainder. So we can say that a factor is a number which divides another number completely or without leaving any remainder. Now what does this statement means? With the help of an example, I will explain it to you. Now let us take an example. Find all the factors of 12. So now we have to find all the factors of 12. How we will find the factors? Here I will write the pairs. First is 1 into 12 is 12. Now we will check whether 1 and 12 is the factor. With 1 we will divide 12. 1 into 12 is 12. Here the remainder is 0. Again with 12 we will divide 12. 12 one times 12. And the remainder is 0. In both the cases you can see that the remainder is 0. That means 12 is divisible by 1 and 12 is also divisible by 2. Now let us take 2. 2 into dash equals to 12. Again let us see whether 12 is divisible by 2. 12 divided by 2. 2 6 times 12. And again we will get remainder 0. With 6 we will divide 12. 6 2 times 12. Remainder 0. Here also we can see in both the cases with 2 12 is divisible and with 6 12 is divisible. So 2 into 6 is 12. Both the numbers 2 and 6 is a factor of 12. The next number that we will take is 3. 3 into dash equals to 12. Now let us check whether 3 is the factor of 12. We will divide 12 with 3. 3 4 times 12. Remainder is 0. Again with 4 we will divide 4 3 times 12. Remainder is 0. So we can see 12 is divisible by 3 and also 4. So here 3 into 4, 12. The next number that we will take is 4. 4 into 3, 12. Yes? But at this point, what we can see is 3 and 4 is repeated. The number 3 and 4 is repeated. So, this is the time to stop multiplying. Okay? That means, we will not multiply anymore and find the products of 12. Since the 3 and 4s are repeated. So, our factors of 12 are here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12 and 12. So these are the factors of 12. Here you can see the least factor of 12 is 1 and the greatest factor is 12. That means the number its itself. Yes? So, when we will find the factor of any number, we will get 1 as a factor of that number. And the greatest factor will be always the number itself. Okay? Now let us see few points. Now let us see the properties of factors. What are the properties of factors? The number 1 is a factor of every number. Like I said, every number will have 1 as its factor because every number can be divided by 1. Okay? Every non-zero number is a factor of itself. So what is the factor of 72? We will get 72 as a factor itself. Okay? Other factors also we will get, but 72 also. Suppose factors of 12. We will get 12 also as its factor. 24. 24 we will get as its factor. Okay? That means every non-zero number is a factor of itself. Then, the third point, the smallest factor of a number is 1. Suppose the factors of 12 as we have learned are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Here you can see that the smallest factor is 1. Okay. Similarly, if we find the factor of any other number, the first factor we will always get as 1. That means 1 is the least factor of every number. Point 4. Every factor of a non-zero number is less than or equal to the number. Now what does this point means? Example, suppose factors of 12. What you can see? How many factors you can see here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 factors are there. So these factors are less than 12 or equal to 12. Yes? Can you find any number which is greater than 12? No. That means whatever factor you will get of any number, that will be less than the number or equal to the number. Okay? So every factor of a non-zero number is less than or equal to the number. Now, with the help of another example, let us find the factors of 24. Okay. So again, what we will do? First factor will be 1. 1 into 24 is equals to 24. Then 2 into dash equals to 24. Now let us see 2 how many times is 24, or whether 24 is divisible by 2. 24 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2. 4, 2 twos are 4. So remainder is 0. That means 2 into 12 is 24. So here we will write 12. 2 into 12, 24. Again, with 12 also we can divide 24 and see. 12 2 times 24. So here we got the remainder 0. That means 24 is divisible by 2 and with 12. Next number is 3. 3 into dash equals to 24. So with the help of table only we can find out. Okay, 3 8 times is 24. Again, 4 into 6 equals to 24. Yes? And after that, 5 into dash equals to 24. But does 24 comes in 5 table? 5 5 is 25. No, 24 does not comes in 5 table. So what we will do? We will take the next number. After 5, what it is? 6. So 6 into 4 is 24. Again, we can see here that the number 6 is repeated and 4 is also repeated. Yes. So now it's the time that we will stop finding out the factors. That means our factor is up to here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. We will not repeat the numbers. So the factors of 24 are are 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. 6, 8, 12, 24. So these are the factors of 24. How many factors we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we got 8 factors of 24. The factors are always limited. Okay. And you can see all the factors that we got are less than 24 or equal to 24. That means factors will be always less than or equal to the number itself. Here we can see one more thing, that 1 is the least number of factor and 24 it is the greatest factor of 24. Okay? And the other factors that we got 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, all these are factors of 24. 24 is divisible by all these numbers. So in this way we have to find the factors of a given number. This point is very necessary. Whenever you find factors of any number, no, if there is repetition of any number while multiplying, you need to stop in that point. Okay? You need to stop and then you write the factors of the numbers. Do not repeat.